How to factory reset your Windows PC. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily do that. First off, you're going to have to find your start menu and then access your settings. Once you go to the settings option, you'll go to system over here on the left side of your screen. Scroll down and you need to find recovery over here. Tap on recovery. And then from here, you'll have recovery option. Under that, you have reset this PC. Tap on reset PC. Now you'll get two options. You can either keep your files or remove everything. If you want to remove everything, you can just select the second option, or if you just want to keep your personal files, you can select that as well. But it is suggested to back up all of your data before you do anything for safety, so that you will have access to your files no matter what. So I'll just keep my files for now. It's going to take a few minutes, and once you have it ready, you can just select your options. You should be able to reset your PC from here. And that's how you can basically reset your entire PC and delete all of your files at once as well. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If so, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.